Pelican threw at a fish, and they've been passing that day on to them mates ever since. In the 80s, when fishermen went north, saw that their feed was done on a regular basis. So since 87, 12 o'clock, regardless of daylight saving, every day of the year, except Christmas Day, when these guys have got to go and look for turkey somewhere. The San Remo Fish Co-op supply fish, most of the time flathead frames. You're probably all well aware, worldwide shortage, common sense. As such, 60%